That is wild. That video of the crash last summer in Oregon now going viral this week. One of the men on the small boat now suing, and the other two say they also plan to. All three of them were hurt in that crash. The lawsuit accuses the driver of the big boat of crashing because he was on his cell phone. That man denies it. He told police he was sitting and couldn't see over the dash. He is also facing criminal charges.
Hey! 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 Oh my God! Look out! Look out!
Beautiful day out here. It's kind of cloudy this morning, but man, it's really shaping up to be a nice morning. Beautiful, a lot of boats out here. Be safe, wear your life jackets.
Yes. Lesson learned. I'm
yeah.
not that much of a meathead. I can't admit I was wrong in not wearing a life jacket, especially when I had him in the boat.
We got them on this morning.
So, everyone, have a good day, man. Stay safe out there, and hug your loved ones.